Good day, business leaders. This is Ma'am Lags. We will discuss the topics that will help you in creating effective video advertisement. In this video, we will learn the key elements, characteristics, steps, and tools in creating video advertisement. Watch until the end for the final announcement. Video advertisement. A video advertisement is a dynamic marketing tool that uses visual storytelling, motion graphics, and persuasive messaging to promote a product, service, or brand. These ads are commonly seen on television, social media platforms, websites, and streaming services, aiming to engage audiences and encourage action. Key elements of a video advertisement. 1. Clear message. A strong video ad delivers a straightforward and impactful message that immediately informs the audience about what the product service is, clearly introducing the brand or offering, why it matters, highlighting the unique benefits and value, who it is for, targeting the specific needs of the intended audience. The message should be concise, memorable, and persuasive. A well-crafted slogan or tagline reinforces brand identity, making the ad easy to recall. For example, Nike's "Just Do It" conveys motivation and empowerment in just 3 words. 2. Engaging visuals. Since video is primarily a visual medium, high quality and captivating imagery is essential. This can include high-resolution footage. Crisp and professional-looking video enhances credibility. Animation and motion graphics. Animated elements make complex ideas easier to understand. Cinematic techniques. Strategic camera angles, lighting, and editing enhance storytelling. For example, a perfume ad may use slow-motion shots and artistic close-ups to create an aura of elegance and luxury, while a tech ad may use fast-paced transitions to emphasize innovation. 3. Graphic design. Graphic design plays a crucial role in shaping the visual identity of a video advertisement. It enhances clarity, consistency, and engagement through typography. The choice of fonts affects readability and branding. Bold and modern fonts convey a sleek look, while elegant script fonts add sophistication. Color psychology. Colors influence emotions. For instance, red evokes urgency, while blue signifies trust. Brand consistency. Logos, brand colors, and styles should remain uniform across the video. For example, Coca-Cola ads consistently use red and white typography, reinforcing brand recognition. 4. Emotional appeal. Video advertisements often tap into emotions to create a strong connection with the audience. Common emotional triggers include happiness and joy, used in ads for entertainment, food, and lifestyle brands. Fear of missing out encourages urgency and time-sensitive offers. Nostalgia taps into personal memories to establish an emotional bond. For instance, a travel ad may show families reuniting at the airport, evoking warmth and excitement. 5. Call to action, CTA. Every video advertisement should guide the audience toward a specific action, such as shop now, encouraging purchases. Subscribe today, boosting signups for newsletters or streaming services. Visit our website, driving traffic to a brand's online platforms. A CTA should be visually prominent and easy to follow, appearing as a voiceover, on-screen text, or clickable button in digital ads. 6. Optimized length. An effective video ad maintains the audience's attention while delivering the message efficiently. Common ad lengths include 6 to 10 seconds. Best for quick social media promotions, e.g., YouTube bumper ads. 15 to 30 seconds. Ideal for TV and skippable online ads. 60+ seconds. Suitable for detailed storytelling on platforms like YouTube and Facebook. Shorter ads work best for brand awareness, while longer ads are great for narrative-driven campaigns. Characteristics of an effective video advertisement. A well-crafted video advertisement captures attention, delivers a compelling message, and drives the audience to take action. Below are the essential characteristics that make a video advertisement successful. 1. Attention-grabbing opening. The first 3 to 5 seconds are crucial in capturing the viewer's interest. Use eye-catching visuals, bold text, or an intriguing question to hook the audience. Example, a car ad may start with a dramatic slow-motion drift or a mystery scenario to build curiosity. 2. Clear and concise message. The video should communicate the main idea quickly and effectively. Avoid overloading with information. Stick to a single, strong message. Example, a food delivery ad might emphasize hot, fresh, fast, delivered to your doorstep. 3. Strong emotional appeal. Ads that evoke emotions are more memorable and persuasive. Common emotional triggers. Happiness, used in travel and lifestyle ads. Nostalgia, often seen in sentimental or family-oriented ads. Excitement and urgency, used in product launches and limited time offers. Example, a holiday ad showing a child giving a heartfelt gift creates a sense of warmth and connection. 4. High quality visuals and audio. Sharp graphics, smooth animations, and professional filming enhance credibility. Clear voiceovers and background music set the mood and reinforce messaging. Example, a luxury brand ad may use slow motion, elegant lighting, and soft background music to emphasize exclusivity. 5. Strong branding and graphic design. Consistent color schemes, typography, and logos build brand recognition. Motion graphics and animated text help emphasize key points. Example, McDonald's always uses red and yellow, reinforcing its brand identity. 6. Call to action, CTA. The ad should tell viewers exactly what to do next. Buy, subscribe, visit a website, etc. Effective CTA phrases. Shop now and get 20% off. Sign up for exclusive offers. Click the link to learn more. Placement. The CTA should be spoken, displayed on screen, or clickable in digital ads. 7. Optimized length for platform and audience. Different platforms require different video lengths for effectiveness. 6 to 10 seconds. Best for quick social media ads, YouTube bumper ads, TikTok. 15 to 30 seconds. Ideal for TV commercials and online promotions. 60 plus seconds. Great for in-depth storytelling, YouTube, Facebook. For your video advertisement, make sure it has a duration of at least 2 minutes or at most 3 minutes. How to make a video advertisement. Creating a video advertisement requires careful planning, creativity, and execution. Below is a step-by-step guide to making an engaging and effective video ad. Step 1. Define your goal and target audience. Before filming, determine purpose of the ad. Are you promoting a product, increasing brand awareness, or driving sales? Target audience. Understand their interests, problems, and preferences. Key message. What do you want viewers to remember? Example, a coffee shop may create an ad targeting busy professionals with the message, "Boost your energy with a cup of freshly brewed coffee." Step 2. Plan your video concept. Outline the story, style, and visual approach. Storytelling. Will the ad use a narrative, testimonials, or product demonstration? Tone. Should it be humorous, emotional, or informative? Format. Animation, live action, or a mix of both. Example, a sportswear brand might show athletes training hard with motivational music and inspiring quotes. Step 3. Write the script and storyboard. A script includes dialogue, what will be said, actions, what happens in each scene, CTA, call to action, what should viewers do next. A storyboard is a visual plan that maps out each shot before filming. Example, a fast food chain ad script may start with Scene 1, close-up of a burger sizzling on the grill. Scene 2, a customer takes a bite smiling. Scene 3, the screen fades to order now for delivery. Step 4, gather equipment and prepare for filming. Essential equipment. Camera. A high-quality DSLR, smartphone, or professional camera. Tripod and stabilizers. Avoid shaky footage. Lighting. Softbox lights or natural lighting for clarity. Microphone. Clear audio is crucial for voiceovers or dialogues. Props and backgrounds. Enhances storytelling, e.g. a cafe setup for a coffee ad. Actors and voiceovers. Use real people or professional voice artists to match the brand tone. Step 5. Film the video. Tips for a smooth filming process. Follow the storyboard to avoid unnecessary retakes. Use multiple angles for more dynamic visuals. Keep scenes short and engaging. Each shot should add value. Capture B-roll footage, extra shots for smoother transitions. Step 6. Edit the video. Video editing software. Beginner, Canva, InShot, CapCut. Intermediate, iMovie, Filmora. Professional, Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve. Editing tips. Trim unnecessary parts to keep it concise. Add transitions, effects, and animations to enhance storytelling. Include subtitles many people watch without sound. Use background music to set the mood. Insert branding elements, logo, colors, typography. Get started. Decide what will be your business. Name of your business and business color. Start planning for your ad. Film it. Edit it. To be submitted after the exam during our class schedule. Thank you for listening.